Let's start with the farm animals. Farm animals.
This is turtle. Turtle. This is cat. Cat. This is dog. Dog. This is fish. Fish. This is parrot. Parrot. This is mouse. Mouse. This is hamster. Hamster. This is chinchilla. Chinchilla. This is canary. Canary. This is donkey. Donkey. This is camel. Camel. This is cow. Cow. This is horse. Horse. This is pig. Pig. This is bull. Bull. This is rabbit. Rabbit. This is goat. Goat. This is sheep. Sheep. This is bee. Bee. This is pony. Pony. This is ram. Ram. This is llama. Llama. This is reindeer. Reindeer.
The next is wild animals. Wild animals. This is monkey. Monkey. This is tiger. Tiger. This is panda. Panda. This is zebra. Zebra. This is lion. Lion. This is elephant. Elephant. This is giraffe. Giraffe. This is cheetah. Cheetah. This is gorilla. Gorilla. This is leopard. Leopard. This is jaguar. Jaguar. This is crocodile. Crocodile. This is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. This is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. This is ocelot. Ocelot. This is anteater. Anteater. This is tapir. Tapir. This is rat panda. Rat panda. This is gibbon. Gibbon. This is white tiger. White tiger. This is sifaka. Sifaka. The next is insects. Insects.
This is butterfly. Butterfly. This is ladybug. Ladybug. This is termite. Termite. This is ant. Ant. This is bedbug. Bedbug. This is cockroach. Cockroach. This is fly. Fly. This is caterpillar. Caterpillar. This is spider. Spider. This is scorpion. Scorpion. This is mantis. Mantis. This is millipede. Millipede. This is grasshopper. Grasshopper. This is hornet. Hornet. This is bug. Bug. This is mosquito. Mosquito. This is wasp. Wasp. This is bumblebee. Bumblebee. This is louse. Louse. This is scarabæus. Scarabæus. This is mite. Mite. This is dragonfly. Dragonfly.
The next is forest animals. Forest animals.
This is buffalo. Buffalo. This is hedgehog. Hedgehog. This is squirrel. Squirrel. This is fox. Fox. This is lynx. Lynx. This is bear. Bear. This is coyote. Coyote. This is wolf. Wolf. This is mole. Mole. This is deer. Deer. This is marmot. Marmot. This is wolverine. Wolverine. This is skunk. Skunk. This is bison. Bison. This is moose. Moose. This is badger. Badger. This is chipmunk. Chipmunk. This is raccon. Raccon. This is ferret. Ferret. This is sloth. Sloth. This is boar. Boar. This is hare. Hare.
Sea animals. Sea animals. It's a killer whale. Killer whale. It's a whale. Whale. It's a sea turtle. Sea turtle. It's a dolphin. Dolphin. It's a seahorse. Seahorse. It's a starfish. Starfish. It's a octopus. Octopus. It's a stingray. Stingray. It's a coral. Coral. It's a shell. Shell. It's a sea urchin. Sea urchin. It's a crayfish. Crayfish. It's a seaweed. Seaweed. It's a narwhal. Narwhal. It's a fur seal. Fur seal. It's a beluga. Beluga. It's a giant squid. Giant squid. It's a seal. Seal. It's a walrus. Walrus. It's a penguin. Penguin. The next is birds. Birds.
This is ostrich. Ostrich. This is peacock. Peacock. This is pheasant. Pheasant. This is hen. Hen. This is turkey. Turkey. This is chick. Chick. This is rooster. Rooster. This is duck. Duck. This is ducklings. Duckling. This is goose. Goose. This is quail. Quail. This is swallow. Swallow. This is sparrow. Sparrow. This is stork. Stork. This is vulture. Vulture. This is falcon. Falcon. This is hummingbird. Hummingbird. This is parrot. Parrot. This is pigeon. Pigeon. This is penguin. Penguin. This is flamingo. Flamingo. This is eagle. Eagle. This is crow. Crow. This is swan. Swan. This is pelican. Pelican. This is owl. Owl. This is bullfinch. Bullfinch. This is titmouse. Titmouse. This is woodpecker. Woodpecker.
Please like and subscribe the channel Kids World. Thank you.